everyone, how ya doing? It's me, Tim. Me and my sweetie pie Penny right there. We are heading to the bird sanctuary today on a snowy day here in Michigan today. And it's a snowy one. So I want you just to kick back and have fun, and I will talk to you when we get to the bird sanctuary. But until then, I will be talking to you real soon. Hey everyone, we are at the bird sanctuary. Beautiful place to come and check out birds. Got a sign here that says Canada Geese returns. Got one laying over there. Hey everyone, now we are where these white swans are at with the geese. And there's a lot more of these white swans here. You can tell a lot of them are dirty. Just don't have very much here. I wonder how they get along with the geese. If they ever fight with the geese. Any of you wonder that too? If they ever fight with the geese? The noises that they're making. Isn't that pretty cool? Talking with each other. Had two of them fighting over there. Stirred up everybody. Yeah, how many of you got a bird sanctuary where you're at? Drop a comment, let me know if you got a bird sanctuary where you're at. Problem mama laying on her eggs there. It says Canada Goose. This nest is expected to hatch in early May. Come back to see the little ones. Hey, got a mama laying on her eggs. Got a couple walking along the fence. Got one right there. One right there. one standing there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey everyone, you got some more in another area of geese and swines and ducks. Got one looks like she's laying on some eggs over here, right there by the tree, saying that nest doesn't expect to hatch until early May. Yeah, got a duck down here. Duck's moving now. No eggs. It's moving. Got a swine there with some tag on him right there around his neck. Wonder if they're going to be moving him somewhere else. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Or girl. You're big, aren't ya? Yes you are. Oh, you big. Yeah. They are huge, aren't they? Huge, huge, huge. Yeah, drop a comment, people, and let me know who would you see winning a fight between that swan there and that geese there. Drop your comment and let me know. I like to know. Here's some regular swines, everyone. The ones with the orange beak on them, see? Now, some lady where we used to live when I was a kid owned a couple swines. And I tell you, they are mean son of a guns, they are. Now, these two, they got like tags on them. I don't know if you could tell. But I've been attacked by swines like that before. And they're mean son of a guns, I tell you that much. How many of you have been attacked by a swine? I'd like to hear from you. Drop a comment below in the box. Let me know if you've been attacked. Got a black swan and a geese. Got a duck. A couple ducks over there. And a geese. He's there. He's there. And one right there, I think she might be laying on a nest. And one standing on a fence. The great horned owl, he is called. This is what he looks like. In a picture, that's him. Right there, winking. Right there. Pretty, isn't he? He's perched in his box.
Pretty one. Well, at least I got a picture of you.
Red-tailed hawk. And got two of them in here. These poor things won't be able to fly anymore, so that's why they're here, people. This is what their picture looks like on there. That's them. Aren't they pretty? Got up there. Hopping. Eastern screech owl, this is, everyone. Yes, they had to amputate his wing, and now he cannot fly. And he's perched in there. That's what he looks like. A bald eagle. Look at that bald eagle, everyone. Just sitting there being quiet, not making a noise. I guess he came from here in Michigan, and he was hatched in the wild in 1885. That guy was here in Michigan. And then he was found in 2003 with a broken wing and was taken to the Michigan State University Veterinary Clinic. He first went to Porter Park Zoo, but came to stay here in 2006. Well, that was about 9 years ago when he came here. His right wing is partly amputated and he cannot fly. Poor buddy, can't fly. Yeah, a bald eagle. Yeah, got another great horned owl here. Got two of them here. This is the second one you guys are seeing. This one, let's see what it says for him. It's a quiet thing they are. It says, this great Hornow was a permanent left wing injured and can no longer fly. She came to the bird sanctuary in 2008 after her wing injury was treated at the Michigan State University Veterinarian Clinic. Her age is unknown, but her large size suggests she is a female. She's a big girl. Got a big cage for her too. Just perched in that little box of hers. Hey everyone. Got a red-tailed hawk here. I believe this is a female. And she was found injured on the side of the road as a hatched year bird in 2009. That's about 6 years ago. She disclosed her right wing and came here after a wildlife veterinarian determined she was not releasable. Oh, poor baby. Her injury prevents her from flying, but she is now an educated bird and has been trained to stand calmly on the glove of programs. Aww. Sad. Very sad. Just sit here and be calmly on these things, huh? Got another red-tailed hawk here. I guess this red-tailed hawk has been at this bird sanctuary since 2002. I guess she had a wing problem, and she can't fly but has learned to keep her balance even though she does not have the use of her two full wings. Aww. Poor thing. Ain't she pretty? Hey everyone, that's a barn owl. Yeah, see him? Kind of a sleepy guy. Not much movable. He crashed out like a light or something. Can't tell if he's awake or breathing. He perched there. Now this thing, he is a male. That guy is right there. And he came here to the bird sanctuary in 2011 from a place in Florida. Can you believe Florida sent a bird all the way here to Michigan? Yeah, that crazy thing came from Florida. Yeah. And I guess he was found as a hatched year bird in 2006 with an injury right wing. All through his injury was treated, he remains unable to fly. His permanent injury prevents him from being able to live in the wild and hunt. Oh, poor buddy. Yeah, that's what a barn owl looks like. Looks like two swans on a nest over there. Hey everyone, I forgot to say at the beginning that is a mama on her eggs there. Right there on that dirt pile. She's laying on top of some eggs. I forgot to say that. Yeah. That's what she's doing, covering her eggs, keeping them warm. Probably will be hatching next month sometime. Hey everyone, we are now back in the van and we'll be leaving the bird sanctuary. I hope you enjoyed this video of the bird sanctuary, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you could do that for me. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you liked about it. I like to hear from a lot of you below in the comments. Also, do you have a bird sanctuary where you are at? I'd like to hear from you also. And do you ever go to yours? Well, everyone, again, thanks for watching. You all take care and have a good one. And I'll be talking to you real soon.